mga ganap sa day 4 ko dito sa Pilipinas. Morning! Morning guys! Love you! Love you! Love you!
Guys, singing. Music over five.
Good morning! Say good morning!
Swimming.
Yes, we read book, the swimming, right? This is what we read, they are swimming. Tell the guys the story. Tell the guys the story. Yes. Say good morning. How is your sleep, guys?
Sleeping. Okay, sleeping. Okay, sleep.
What?
Okay, bye.
Yes.
Yes, bye. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys. Suklay.
Ano ba nilagay?
Nakalagyan sa ilalim. Dada is up downstairs. Dada is taking a bath. Dada, take a bath. What else? Look at the socks. Next. Princess Messi often forgets to comb hair. She did not comb her hair. Can you comb your hair? Comb your hair. No, comb your hair. Wow, she don't mind. Very good. Next. Princess Messi. Huh? Oh, yes. Yes. Yes, like that. Yes. Tapon. Natapon. Oh, yes. Natapon. Princess Messi sometimes makes a mess. Oops. Wow. What else? Eat. No, this is pink. He is painting. Yes, Princess Messi paints pictures that are bright and nice. Yes, he eat the paint. Did he eat the paint? Ball. Yes, it's a ball. More than one. Princess Messi may be messy but is very happy. How to be happy? Happy? Yes. One more. Oh, show the camera. How to be happy? Yes, that's happy. Very good. And very a special princess. Mapagpalang araw. So, ayun yung morning routine namin ni Tres. So, welcome to another video guys. Ito ang aking day 4 ganap dito sa Pilipinas. So, this time, it's around 4:51 p.m. At naglalakad lang kami ni Tres. Pupunta kami ng palengke. Lakad lang kami guys kasi nga naboboring siya minsan sa bahay. So, what is that? Fire truck! Wow! Fire truck! So, ayan, may nadaanan kaming fire truck. So, hindi pwedeng hindi siya sasakay, guys. Kaya, ayun. As you can see sa video, nakapatong na siya dun sa likod ng fire truck. At, ayan, tuloy-tuloy lang ako sa paglalakad kasama si Tres. And, ito na kami sa bilihan ng banana Q. So, ayan. Tag 15 pesos pala to guys, yung banana Q. At saka bumili din ako ng buko juice. 20 pesos naman yung malaking cup. So, ayan. Dito lang kami muna magtambay-tambay ni Tres. Ayan. So, may bakante dito na commercial place guys. Ayan. Diyan na kami nakatambay. Halos 30 minutes siguro to 1 hour. Dito na kami nagtambay ni Tres. So, takbo-takbo lang siya dyan. Ayan. Hawak-hawak niya yung saging na binili ko. So, ayan guys. So, ayan guys. Dito lang kami ni Tres. Magtatambay muna. Ayan, banding muna kami dito. Kasi nga, mamaya-maya uuwi na din kami. So, ayan, ang laki na ng bata guys, 'di ba? 3 years old na siya. Iniwan ko siya 1 year old. And thank you so much Jesus sa pag-aalaga kay Tres at of course sa mga titas, titos, lolos and lolas at saka kay Dada. Ayan na yung batang makulit. Ayan. Grabe siya guys, kakulit, and pag may gusto siya, kailangan na gawin niya talaga. Pag hindi nagawa, nako, magta-tantrums. Grabe yung tantrums ng batang ito. And ayun, nangangapa pa ako kung paano ako mag-parent sa kanya. And then yun, pinag-pray ko palagi na Lord, help us to train this child the way he should go so that when he is old, he will not depart from it. Yun palagi yung prayer namin ni Dada kasi nga, as a first-time parent, hindi namin alam kung ano yung i-expect namin and paano mag-response sa behavior ng bata, and everyday nagre-learn talaga kami. So ayan, sa stage na to guys, grabe. So yun talaga, pag may gusto siya, kailangan magawa. Example, like makita niya yung dada niya na galing sa work, gusto niya na sumakay muna ng motor, paikot. Pag hindi mo yun mapagbigyan, nako, hindi mapigil ang iyak. So ayun lang guys, ang aming mga discovery pa sa ngayon, and praying for right response para sa behavior niya. So, ayun lang guys for today's video. Salamat sa inyong panonood. See you on the next one. Bye-bye. God bless.